Okay, have fun. It's nothing. It's nothing. I'm playing my game. Yeah, I'm playing my game, Daryl. It's a game. It's nothing. It's not important, Daryl. Yeah, this is my sister playing Craft. Yeah, she plays Minecraft, Craft. Let's just watch it. Yeah, we're playing Minecraft.
I got my Minecraft person. See, yes, swear bud.
Vegeta, how do you have a square craft butt? Daryl, what are you doing? This was a really bad idea, letting her play.
I know. It was a bad idea letting me play. Cookie, Cookie!
That was another video. You're not even blue. Okay, aside from that, what is she doing? Daryl's gone. Killing food again. Yep, she's killing it.
I got an idea. I should change my YouTube channel to Cookie Monster.
Well, you really should. What is it? I can't see it. Damn, well, mine is.
Yeah, what's your name?
I forgot.
What is it? Nacio Games or something?
You know what it should be? What? Chacho Gaming. Oh, right?
Oh yeah.
Daryl, get off me. Oh my God, is she